Yeah, one day my wife went out to the garage and they just didn't open. So ultimately, she called you guys, and I believe it was a spring that needed to be repaired, right? But more than that, they identified that there were more gears within the actual garage door opener that needed to be repaired. And so they gave us a bunch of options to repair the garages, and we went forward with it. So yeah, kind of a lot of things needed to be repaired. We had a contact that we had used before, but in order to try and figure out what was actually happening with the garage, my wife went next door to ask our neighbor, who had, about some questions about the garage door opener, if we could have maybe just repaired it ourselves or whatever. And he mentioned that your name, it was a referral from him specifically, and said you were great. So really it was a word of mouth situation from our next door neighbor. Jen thought she was going to be trapped in the garage forever, but then she called for help, and they came the same day. So first off, I mean, it was a quick response. Came here. Ben was awesome to work with, super thorough, detailed in his, obviously, diagnosis of what was going wrong, but also gave a lot of options of how we could repair the garage. And customer service was awesome, and really just very friendly, very personable, but again, very thorough and very honest. I think he gained a lot of trust when he was here. So yeah. So great service on the front end, but then quick repair was made, and then honestly, our garage doors they've never worked better than they do. So super happy and satisfied, and absolutely will be using A+ again. We have lots of family, and we would be 100% comfortable referring A+ to all of them, actually, our neighbors and our family and our friends, because again, service was excellent, and we were super satisfied with the way things turned out. So 100%. Just say thank you to Ben for his service and for making us feel comfortable with the decision, especially because I wasn't actually here when the service happened, and I know that it can be hard for my wife to have to go through all this and figure it all out, but he made her feel super comfortable and super safe, and again, made all the right things happen. So thanks to Ben and his service.
Perfect. Thank you.